ang bebe ko sa airport kasi darating siya ngayon. Pero akala niya is may pasok ako. So, let's see! Oh, nandito ka pala! Bigyan na sabi ni mama nasa ka na raw. So this is our Valentine's.
Hello vlog. This is our Valentine's Day.
We are going to try to walk, run 5 kilometers in Marina Bay.
And yes,
Around
Yeah.
Marina Bay Sands.
that's already a torture.
Torture Valentine's Day.
Torture Valentine. Screaming,
Sweaty.
sweaty.
Okay, bye. Let's see if we can do
Bye.
it. Okay, Bob, yung equation is 9x
11x
minus 7i
9x minus 7i
greater than
greater than
3, open parenthesis, 3x
7.
minus 7 yun. Okay.
Ano meron?
I-complete mo siya tapos tingnan mo kung ano yung greater than or less than. Di ba kasi equal yung ginagamit natin kanina? Ngayon, it's gonna be like greater than or less than.
Are you sure na?
Oo, parang ganun din yung ano niya, yung concept niya sa kanina. Okay,
Sige ko.
ready?
Mm.
Uy, saglit lang, madaya ka naman.
Hindi ko pwedeng tigilan ng mag-isip kasi nag-isip mo talaga.
Wala, wait lang, okay, ready? Wait, next started yun. Ready, set, go. Yung ano yung isip kanina.
False.
Ha?
False.
Ano, false? I-solve mo muna, wait lang. Wait lang, started yun.
False na.
Hindi siya true or false, i-solve mo na. 3 times 7. Tama ba?
False na.
Wala naman. Uy, hindi yan, ano.
Isang linya lang ako, isang linya lang ikaw. Parang yung linya. Bakit ba?
Tingnan mo yung symbols. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is love. Durururu. Ang sarap naman yan. Hindi na. Yan, okay lang yung ano. Okay lang.
No, that's not my hairline.
That's your...
That is not
Sabi
my
mo,
hairline. That is not my hairline. Pwede mo sige.
Ano ba naka-schedule? Oo, lang. Kasi mo yan.
Yung kutsara yung yun.
Hindi, ano ka ba? Ano ka lang subscribe ko nga sa'yo.
Pagkabas na nakakay.
Nakita niyo din ito?
Ayan.
Ayan.
Pagkatapos ito marunong.
Pero kung magulit, hindi ako may tatawin dito.
Ilang minutes to?
Siguro 30 minutes kung nalang school.
Hindi naman magkano po.
Ano ba ba? Dapat kaya may phone. Yung issue. Ano yung kasama ko? Thank you.
Wala naman siya nakalagay dito. Wala naman po.
Hindi naman. Plus issue yun. Ano kung ito background daw? Wala naman siya background.
Ano naman siya nakalagay dito ng oras?
8 minutes.
Sabi?
Yung mga natulog ko kanina sabi 8 minutes.
Iisin ba ka to?
Hindi ko sure. Ano naman siya?
Lagyan na dapat ng kuha yung mga kuha, yung mga mabituan.
Ano naman?
Lagyan na. Pasili.
Matinis? Bakit?
Pwede nga, pwede pala ito dito ilagay kasi mix dito. Kasi ito yung ikuan na. Kaya mahaba yung panusad niya.
Kaya wala naman siya. Mas matinis.
Makita niyo si Kuya. Oh, at least 5 minutes lang.
Huwag ka mag-shampoo ako.
Ano siya parang Kuya?
Ito ba na ito?
This next story will make any dog lover's blood boil. Cops say this woman tied her dog up to a metal bag inside her at the airport and just walked away, abandoning her pet. Now, as Les Pat reports, she's in big trouble.
Cops say this passenger is about to do the unthinkable. She strolls up to the JetBlue ticket counter at the airport in Las Vegas to get a boarding pass. Then she's told she needed special documentation to fly with her 2-year-old dog. So what did she do? Cops say she tied up her pooch and abandoned the little guy. There she goes, walking off, minus her dog. When airline employees greet the adorable dog, look how he wags his tail. Happy somebody's paying attention. Police found the 26-year-old dog owner at the departure gate.
Pangay?
But the cop isn't buying her story. So you walk out here, you're looking white, and my dog there. Police say the dog owner became so hostile, they arrested her for animal abandonment and resisting arrest. Today, people are asking, who would even think of abandoning this sweet golden doodle? After the owner failed to reclaim her dog, Retriever Rescue of Las Vegas took the dog in and gave him a new name, JetBlue. And here he is. Oh my goodness, JetBlue, you are the cutest. It's heartbreaking, I think, for animal lovers to see.
Ito may mga nakasakit
He's
siya.
on the way, please. Very well mannered. Just wait with other dogs on Speedball. Bye.
The rescue group says it's received 200 applications to provide JetBlue with his forever home.
Bakit mag-contact ka naman? Ano time ka?
Tapos na?
Oo naman. Ay, nagpila pa. Ay, hindi mo na sila. Sabi ko.
Hindi ko maganda.
Oo.
Hindi ka ba? Hindi ka ba?
Hindi, kasi pwede dapat gaano mo yun. Different direction.
Hindi siya, one direction.
Hindi pa naman naging lahat. Kasi mo naging lahat.
Hindi ako nakasama. Hindi talaga nakakapagpuro ko. Nakasama.
Tapos maraming eh.
Sumagot ako yung basta ni mama.
Pwede mo tapos na lang itong problem.
Ilang araw na tapos na. Yung parang nagsimula. Ano?
Sir, kaya nangyayala mo. Ang sungit naman yung hairdresser. Sir, kaya nangyayala mo.
Wala naman sa marriage contract.
Grabe siya.
Yung marriage contract ay doon naman yung dapat. Pero
Oo, kasama yung pagiging kubra ng buko.
Ay, masakit ang alam mo. Ayan. Paano ba? Simula. Done my business. I'm not sure later. Sana ba? Yan, okay po. Hindi ba kami nalagay sa'yo? Malagay lang ng tsaka. Plastic.
baliktad.
Tissue. Hindi ko gumalaw. Parang siyang color ng buko.
Pero patuloy talaga yan.
I asked my hairstylist in Shanghai to dye my hair the most trending color in China, and I don't know how I feel about the results. Honestly, I have like more burning sensation at all, medium brown, and this is what the finished result looks like. The brows look crazy because I just dyed them, but I also don't know how I feel about my hair color. I'm not.
Yung yan, no? Dark brown. Dark brown. Dark brown.
Saan kayo matutuwa yan? Okay mo ba dapat?
Ito.
Uy!
Ay,
Siya? With the blue ones?
saan?
Ay, tantara na lang. Ay, na lang. Bitin. Thirty minutes pa.
Ano ba tagating?
30 minutes.
So, parang, hindi pa ako sa ano dito. Dami po nagtatag sa akin, tsaka nag-send ko ng picture. Lord! Bakit ako sa akin ako? Patawad mo! Hello? Pinag-resign ni Lord si IC sa sex bomb. For today's case study, IC Aragon and Alvin Aragon. First of all, I recommend them for being bold in their faith. Hindi madali yun. It takes courage to do that. Pero, mahirap mag-share ng pag-ibig ni Jesus sa isang tao kung ang opening line mo baka mapupunta ka sa impyerno. Di ba ang sinabi ni Jesus is, love one another as I have loved you. Hindi naman niya sinabing judge one another. Ang church ay isang hospital para sa mga ayaw.
So, later
mga
pa,
pastor.
30?
Yeah,
30
30 minutes.
minutes na gossip. Bye.
Dependent yata siya kasi student yung asawa niya.
Yeah.